99.9% of people have no idea about this hidden gem, the sandy beaches of Tamatave, Madagascar, or the ultimate tropical playground. Imagine walking into your very own private villa. With modern finishes, an open-plan living area that flows onto a huge terrace, 2 cozy bedrooms, 2 luxurious bathrooms, and even a practical laundry room. Then slide open the glass doors and step into your private tropical oasis, complete with a 3x6 meters pool and the Indian Ocean just steps away. Picture an endless vacation lifestyle, no tourist trap prices, just sun-filled days and remote work from your personal beach paradise. What if owning a beachfront villa actually cost less than your yearly rent? All of this move-in ready for only less than 200,000 euros. Sounds too good to be true? Subscribe to our YouTube channel, send us a message, and let's make our tropical dream house a reality.